It is on a cloudy afternoon, and today we have decided to come and check one plane spotting place that was recommended by one of our friends. Even though it's a little bit cloudy, it was good to come and know the place first, and then we try and see whether we'll get some videos. As usual, Helsinki is full of forest, and I'm surrounded by forest. Look at that. Look at that. Nothing but forest. Beautiful. And life goes on, and nature is protected. This is the place. So we're gonna wait for the planes. And that is the, from far, I don't know, my GoPro cannot zoom far away, but so far away there you can see is the Helsinki Airport, and this is the spot where we came. There's a plane coming. Let's see, it's over there. Remember, you can also go inside the airport and ask for the right designated places for plane spotting area, which is reserved for tourists and visitors. This one is outside the Helsinki Airport, so I had to drive all the way to this place to come and see some landing planes. I hope the sound will not be too much for me, because I can see that plane is so near. Oh yeah. It's coming. Hey, hey, nice. I've been looking for a nice place to come and vlog and spot some planes, and actually I'm so happy that I eventually went to the internet and Google it, and I'm so happy to see that I'm in the right place. So let's see, this plane is coming. What time is it now? What time is it? It's 7 minutes past 2 o'clock finish time. I'm even afraid that I'm so near. That's Finnair. It has arrived. According to the reviews, like I said, the busiest time of the day, which is good to come and see, it's around 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. That's when there's a lot of planes coming and going. There's another one coming. This one is so fast and it's so high. Where is it going to land? The speed is so high. Look at that. That's quite a small aircraft. There's also another one coming there. I hope this one is a little bit bigger and it's gonna be a little bit lower, so that I can get good video clip. It's so far away. And behind it there's another one. Actually, it's I think I came the right time because there are so many coming at the same time. So actually, for those people who want to come and spot planes in this place, it's good to know the name of the place. I'm gonna read you the name once I've taken these two aircrafts videos, and then I check the name, like give you the right name and the right spelling or pronunciation, because you know it's Finnish. So let's see. Oh, look at that. That one is also Finnair. There's so many Finnair aircraft. Remember, we are in Finland, Helsinki Airport, and there's a lot of Finnair aircraft coming back home. They're landing. There's another one coming over there. I hope it's different from Finnair, but at the end of the day, let's see. Oh, look at this one. It's so big. That one is also Finnair aircraft at this time of the day. There's another one coming. Quite a lot of them. Now let me check the right name of this place. It's a small hill. So from the Google map, if you want to come to this small hill, which is really good for spotting the planes when they are landing, it's called Lemminkäisen-kallio. It's in near Vantaa Helsinki Airport. If you put Lemminkäisen-kallio, you'll be able to come to this place and enjoy plane spotting. It's a good place to come with the kids. It's a good place to come and have a small picnic. There's areas where you can sit, some rocks. So just come and enjoy the plane spotting. It's really beautiful. There's another one in here. Look at that. All this area, look at this. There's another one coming. So from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, there's a lot of traffic, aircraft landing. It's quite a lot right now. It's 14:17. You can see there, 14:17. around the area to see how it looks like. There's a lot of rocks, big rocks, and it's good to explore the surrounding area of this place and then try to see what else can we see. You can see far away is the Helsinki Airport over there. It just started raining, but at least now I know the spot I'll come when it's a little bit sunny day. Because now this weather is not conducive for what I want to take. There it goes. The dark clouds there, you cannot see it. There's one plane coming, and I just realized there's another runway somewhere, because one plane didn't come via this side where I am, but it went to land somewhere else. So I think that is subject to confirmation how many runways. Look at that. Some of these aircrafts, when they're coming to land, I feel like they're coming to land on my head, and it's kind of scary if you're not used to it. You can see it's so cloudy. I think it will be a good idea to come when it's a little bit sunny, so that we can get the advantage of natural light. Right now it's a little bit dull, but there's a lot of planes, aircraft coming to land. They're arriving to Finland. we are done with the aircraft landing watch. I think we'll come later when the weather is it's good. Right now it started raining, but at least we now know a good spot for taking some videos of aircrafts that are landing. So you guys, thank you for being with us, and let's see what kind of video we're gonna bring next. All the best. Bye.